Morning people, I am sat outside Toolstation just about to collect a Mira electric shower for a football club called United in the Community. So we've been set a challenge to turn that into a functioning shower within 2 days. Let's see what we can do. Limited time on this project, but I'm happy to help out. Let's see, crack on.
We've been lucky enough to have Mira supply a nice new shower. That will be very nice for all our users so that we can actually help our officials and our coaches to actually reward them for what they do for us.
It's really important for grassroots sports for people to help out. Clubs like this, they don't run without volunteers. It's as simple as that, and without volunteers it just doesn't happen. And what better way to give back a little bit is doing a project like this.
Just had a quick look at the hot water system they've got here and trying to look into the reasoning why they've chosen an electric shower, and after speaking to them found out that this hot water system isn't always fully charged and ready to go, so the option to have that electric shower and always have a functioning shower regardless is going to be beneficial to the club. So let's crack on and let's see what we can get done. We're going to get it looking good, we're going to get it functional as possible for them to be able to use that shower, just make the club's life a bit easier basically. That's all we're trying to achieve. If we can do something that helps improve the football club, then so what, let's crack on, let's do it, bang, let's go.